So I am going to give it a conversation. We're going to talk about informatics versus um, quality of care. So informatics versus quality of healthcare is a very important issue for me as a traveling nurse, as a HCI employee for the Epic Sitter system, where we go and we create go live systems. And it's really important that we're taking a look at the informatics versus the quality of care. Is technology taking over nursing? Health recorders, health professionals, we are not computer techs. Some of us cannot, do this multitask by trying to keep our patients safe, as well as uploading all of this information into our system. That it's really taking a lot of time and a lot of energy putting into the actual computer software performance that these hospitals are requiring us to do. I just used these are all of my references that I had used, and then I just went on to another point of saying informatics is it is to me, my personal opinion is it is interfering with quality of care in the hospital setting and all kinds of settings. It's not just because it is convenient that we have these systems in place that we have this help for us, but it also is a really really devastating time consuming moment problem, and it's hard for nurses to get adapted to this because all of the patient care workload that we have plus all of the information that they want us to put into these computer systems, and it's really causing us to have a really like we have a lot more information to put into the system, and it's very hard for us to use that time management skill for us to and still keep our patients safe. And that's what my paper is basically on. It's basically giving you a really detailed, look at the other side. Like you see all of these, everything's so really, glamorized when it comes to the informatics, but nothing is really like stating the disadvantages that we're having. And that's basically what I wanted to focus on. Thank you so much.